Hello, ladies and gentlemen. Joining me here is the beautiful Sandy Carter, the general manager for IBM, one of the top sponsors for TiECon 2014. Sandy, welcome to our booth.
Thank you so much, Amrita. Appreciate it.
Absolutely. I was actually looking through your website just recently, and I found that you're also an author. You wrote a great book called Get Bold,
Yeah.
and that's all about promoting your business through social media outlets. Explain to our viewers, if you can summarize the book for our viewers, what that book is all about.
Yeah, the book is really targeted on how you can be small but leverage social to act like a big company and to get all the advantage of a big company. So for instance, leveraging social to learn about what your customers really want, to promote yourselves, to do the marketing, and really to do the right level of support and engagement and community with that customer set as well.
Absolutely. But you know, social media is obviously one of the most trending topics within our society right now. Everyone is on Facebook, Twitter, you name it, they're there on it. But how do you want to make sure your company stands out when there's so many so-called noise out there with social media?
So the best way to stand out as a company is to first go out there and listen to what's being said and become part of the conversation. One of the best case studies that I show is figuring out who are the experts in your category of influence, and then joining the dialogue and engaging with them so that you not only promote your product, but you're listening to the audience. And it sounds really simple, but even if you look at IBM, the company I work for, our most productive sales teams are those who follow that really simple little formula.
Now, speaking of IBM, you guys are one of the top sponsors for TiECon 2014, and this year you'll be talking about ecosystems. Tell our viewers a little bit about that, because it's a very, very similar message to TI. It's all about connecting VCs to someone that's looking to get VC fundings and so forth, and that's what actually IBM ecosystem does as well. What is that program all about, and how can one reach out to you guys?
So I'm really excited because I think ecosystems are the next competitive advantage. We talk about a lot of the technology, but one of the reasons I've fallen in love with TiECon is because of its focus on building that ecosystem. So part of my mission in IBM is to connect the entrepreneurs who are out there starting a business and help them to grow their business. You know, everybody says it's easy to start a business, it's hard to grow the business. So we provided IBM mentoring on the business side and the technology side. We provide a lot of technology to help them get going very quickly. And then we also connect them up with VCs, or in the case of Watson, as we heard this morning, we actually have our own $100 million fund as well. So we are prioritizing the ecosystem as something that is so important to IBM and its future in the cloud and mobile and social that we just talked about, Watson Analytics and big data.
Your topic specifically today on stage will be about Internet of Things. Now this is going to be approximately a 30 to 45 minute presentation, but can you sum up those points for our viewers?
Yeah, so the Internet of Things, we're going to talk about what really matters. So there's all kinds of numbers, you know, there's 26 billion devices and $300 million of more products and services in the Internet of Things. But I think for entrepreneurs, what they really want to know is, where's the money, right? Show me the money, ROS, return on sales, return on money. So what we're going to be talking about is first, how in Internet of Things that domain expertise and design matters, more than it has in any of the other generations of the Internet. The second thing we're going to talk about is that the integrated solution makes a big difference here. So looking at big data analytics and cognitive through Watson. And then the third thing we're going to talk about is the ecosystem. And we consider the ecosystem the crown for Internet of Things, that those who are most successful making profit and that long tail will focus on the ecosystem as well. So those are the three major points.
Fantastic. And in these three major points, do you foresee any challenges that IBM will be facing?
I think IBM right now is really well set up in all three of those areas because of our Global Entrepreneur Program to help and assist with domain expertise and mentoring. Because of the, if you think about the integration of solution, it's all about big data, it's all about analytics, it's all about cognitive, and we're really the only company who has all three to offer to the entrepreneurs. And because of our keen focus on the ecosystem itself, I think that those three spaces are a great place for anybody here at TiECon to jump on board and start developing their startup growth plan with IBM.
Fantastic. Well, thank you so much. But this is a question for all the ladies. You know, there's a lot of women getting into networking and just kind of climbing through the ladder, and you have reached a very prestigious on top of the ladder for IBM. Any word of advice to the females out there? They're trying to do the same?
I would say my biggest word of advice would be to perform, right? You have to perform. I think that's kind of the bare minimum. But then I think it's all about keeping that maniacal focus on your client and continuing to network. You know, we spend a lot of time, Amrita, about ecosystem. And I would advise everybody to develop their own ecosystem, your own board of directors, if you would. Connect, make sure that you're leveraging and helping others, not just taking, but helping others. And I think when you do that, I do think that good comes back to you as well.
Fantastic. Sandy, thank you so much for your time and enjoy the rest of the conference.
Thank you so much. I'm excited to be here. Thanks.